How to fix Instagram login problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps now on this page, all what you want to do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Facebook and click on it like this. Click on force stop and then click on the permissions. Enable all the permissions and then go back, click on the storage. Wait here and then click on clear data, clear cache. Go back, and now all what you want to do is go back to the settings on your phone. Click on the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 8 seconds and disable it again, and then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing, disable it and enable it. Now all what you want to do is restart your phone and open Facebook. If the problem is not solved yet, then you have to update your Facebook into the latest version in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe.